Hi, this is Neri. Gusto ko lang ipakita today na dito sa Live Good, if you are a member, even if you don't enroll people, is magkakaroon talaga ng tao under you because of spillover. So I just want to show you this website. Ito, account ito ng anak ko. Ang anak ko is hindi naman active sa Live Good. In-enroll ko lang siya dito is because sayang naman yung opportunity, okay? Hindi man lang siya nag-share kasi hindi naman siya interested dito eh. Hinayaan ko lang na ma-maintain yung kanyang monthly subscription. If you will just see my referrals, click natin yung my referrals. Wala talaga siyang ni-refer dito, oh. No contacts found. As in, malinis. Walang katao-tao. But, if you would look into his team, my team, okay, makikita mo dito yung kanyang matrix is marami ng tao actually dito, okay? Meron pa siyang nag-silver rank. Pag sinilip pa natin yung kanyang matrix list view para makita kung sino yung mga tao ang under sa kanya, or kung ilan yung mga tao na under sa kanya, makikita natin sa level 1, dalawa, 2, tatlo, sa 3, 5, and then sa 4, siyam, and then sa 5, meron din siyang 9. Ayan yung lists ng mga tao sa kanya. And take note, hindi ito nagre-recruit, hindi man lang nag-share, okay? Automatically, yung system dito sa Live Good is magbabato sa'yo ng tao as long as you are maintaining your monthly subscription. Yan yung sinasabing you may earn up to $2,048 monthly even if you are not buying, selling the products, or enrolling people. That's all. If you are interested with this business, you may send me a message or just click the link provided in this video. Thank you very much for watching. See you again next time. Bye!